2, 3. What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning Alister and Katrina's. This is requested by one of my premium members. If you want to become a premium member, go sign up at joobamusic.com. At the moment, there's a discount code for $5 off every month. So you can get access to my music theory course and everything if you're a member at joobamusic.com. Go be a member. Okay, and you can also get this PDF on the website. It's free. You don't have to be a member to get the PDF, but you have to be a member to get the course and everything. So this song is in 7/8 time, which for this song we're going to feel it like this. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 bam 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 bam. If you want to get help getting that rhythm, then you want to like play a chord like an E minor and then just strum down 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 up 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 down 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 up 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 down 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 up 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 down down. Okay, so that's like kind of the easiest way to feel this kind of rhythm. Now, for the intro and for the main part of the song, we have this guitar riff going like this. We've got capo on the 5th fret, so it's in the key of C or A minor, and then we're going to do this hammer-on riff going. But I did with these 2 fingers, which I'll tell you why in a minute. But and then to an E minor 7 chord, and you just pinch the outer notes of the chord. And then the 2nd string. Da, 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 da. Then it goes to a G major 7. Yes, it is live. And then you go to the G major 7. It's actually a G major 7 over D because you're playing a D in the bass. And then you've got this G over B. So you got G over B. Such a beautiful sequence. And the 2nd time it's exactly the same except you end on a D chord. D5 there, just the 2 middle strings. Okay, then once the song gets going, the rhythm kind of changes slightly. Listen to this. 1, 2, 3. Dun, 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 dun. Let me play it slowly. You just need to listen to the original song to get the exact rhythm, okay? But that's exactly how it sounds. It just helps with the bass and everything. And then in between the sections, what's the most difficult thing for me about the song was knowing how to count on your way to repeating the riff. And this is what I figured out. To that chord, the C add 9, is on the 1, and then you count 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And that will get you exactly in time with the song. So you play the last chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then you start the riff again. So that's going to be the most challenging part of the song. Now let's move on to where the strumming starts. So with the strumming starts, it's kind of this big sequence. It's got a lot of repetitions inside of it. It starts with C of G every time, A minor, E minor, but then an alternate ending and then alternate ending here. Okay, so it's quite a simple progression, But the voicings that I use this C major 7 chord here, which looks like that. And you can also use that for the D. And for the E minor, you go on the 5th fret and 7th fret and play it like this. So you got C, D, E minor. You can also play B minor, sometimes for the D if you wanted to. Okay, so it goes like this. It's a flute solo, so I'm just going to show you the guitar part. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 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 up, 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 down. Or you could do a for the D, E minor part. So okay, a whole bar of D at the end. Then when you get to part 2 and the 2-minute mark, you're going to play C and then add the sharp 4 interval inside the C. So you play C chord and then put the, thanks so much for that comment. Let me just put that on there. Thanks so much. That's really nice. Okay, so you got C. And then we've got D. Whole while I'm just staying with the basic pattern, down, 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 up, 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 and you can add up strums and down strums in between those. It's just you have to stay with that core feel. Short tutorial, enjoy it. Have a nice day. Bye.